Hey guys, welcome back. And this is my shopping haul. So I'm super excited to be opening up the Nido dojis. I really wanted this for a really long time, and there's so many different dojis. So I'm super excited to open it. It's so cool, Nido dojis. Let's open it. Ooh. My mom has to help me to open it.
There's a big sticker in here. Probably gonna break my nail. Oh, my nail polish. It's already shipping.
Almost there. This is very hard to open.
Yeah, they always put those stickers.
Oh no.
Don't worry, I'm almost there. Success!
Yay! Yay!
Now we can open nicely without breaking a box.
Ooh, and look, there's a blind bag inside. Ooh, that's a black blind bag. Here's the box. Out to the side. And here's the blind bag.
Little eyes.
I wonder which little doji's inside. Okay, so we're gonna open this blind bag. If I can open it.
You always have to look for this thing where it's set for you to easy open, so it's here, so you can do it there.
Ooh, yeah, I know. Ooh, we got the orange and yellow one. This little doji guy, oh my gosh, oh, you can take it out. And then here's the Nido. You can take it out of the little
Did you have names?
doji guy. No, I think it's just like a collector. Yeah. Super cute. We're going to to the side, and let's get the collector's guide to see which one we got. Let's see, let's find it. We got this one, I think. Yeah, we did get this one. Super cute, matches. It's just this one, it looks like a bit lighter orange, but this is like a neon orange, but I don't mind. It's really cute, actually. It's got a little tail at the back as well. So let's put our Nido doji to the side and put a box to the side. Now we're going to look at this shaggy bracelet. It's kind of like shaggy little balls. Super cute, and you can wear it, and it looks really nice actually. And there is a little peel thingy, and this is my favourite because I love to peel stuff or to do it ASMR. So satisfying. Yep, so this is the bracelet. It's really nice and it fits on my hand. Super cute. I really like it. So, yeah. And then I went fidget hunting at the vending machines because they had little vending machines where I was going, and we got one. This is a tangle because I saw it over there. And this looks quite cool, so let's open it. It comes in this little capsule like always. Oh my gosh. It looks like they have to build this tangle. It's purple in there.
That will probably take a while, so we'll do another video after when we do.
Yeah, we'll do it off camera, but we'll do a video showing.
So we'll build the tangle for you guys, and we'll show it to you.
In the next video, so stay tuned. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Pieces. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye.